Samsung is making the first software update for the Galaxy S24 series more widely available this week. It was first released in South Korea a few days ago. The update is being sent to European countries with the code S92XBXSU18XB5. It's about 746.5 megabytes big. Soon it will be available in many other places too. At My Dayback Cafe has also confirmed about the update. According to Dayback, Galaxy S24 Ultra 1TB, Europe started receiving update. He also said he received this update on his own device. Many users on Reddit have confirmed receiving the update. A user named Honey posted a screenshot and mentioned, "Yes, the screen is vivid now." Michu Phone has mentioned, "Update out for Rogers in Canada." Garo stated, "It's out in Sweden too." Kylo reported, "New update available in Switzerland." Silent Wishing added, "Update available in Italy as well." Interpay commented, "It's out in Australia. The speed of this update is phenomenal." Users also confirmed that Verizon users have received the update. Steenhan expressed, "Loving the increased vibrance on the new update." Another user confirmed, "Update received in Germany, Vodafone." Cesar Camps confirmed, "Update in Spain." How about you? Have you received the update yet? This update is significant because it fixes some problems that customers notice when they first got the phone. Samsung has addressed a big issue with the screens on the whole Galaxy S24 series, how vibrant the colors look on the screen. Samsung phones let you choose between natural and vivid colors, but when you first get the Galaxy S24 phones, the vivid option isn't as bright as it should be. After the update, Galaxy S24 users can go to the display settings and pick how colorful they want the screen to be. They can do this by adjusting the new vividness option that's been added for the vivid display setting. Some upgrades are only for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. For example, text looks clearer when you zoom in a lot and videos from the back cameras are clearer too. Samsung also make human subjects and photos look sharper and more detailed on the Ultra model. To get the update on your Galaxy S24 series phone, open the Settings app, choose Software Update, and then tap Download and Install. Soon, all of the Galaxy S24 Ultra users will receive this update. Recently, we saw a live demo of natural versus vivid after update. In a video shared by a Twitter user Dayback, choosing the vivid option shows a noticeable improvement. However, it's not entirely clear how much the vividness slider affects it. This uncertainty could be because of the video angle or another issue Samsung might need to fix later. As of February 20, the update with the vividness slider for the vivid screen mode is out in South Korea and now after 22 in Europe, but not in other countries. Thankfully, on Twitter, you can see demos of the better vivid screen while you wait for the update in your country. For now, it's good that the display isn't equally dull in both vivid and natural modes. But if Galaxy S24 owners still aren't happy, we hope more improvements are coming soon. In breaking news, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has achieved a remarkable feat by setting a new record. According to DxOMark, a trusted authority in smartphone testing, the S24 Ultra boasts the best display they've ever tested on a smartphone. Following closely behind are the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus securing the second spot. This places them in a similar league as the Pixel 8 series. While some may not hold DxOMark's opinion in high regard, it's still noteworthy, especially considering it's been a while since a Samsung phone made such a significant mark on their list. Before this live demo video, Ice Universe also shared first set of pictures that shows the difference in natural and vivid option. The first option is how the Galaxy S24 looked before, dull and washed out. The second option is similar to how the Galaxy S23 Ultra looked. The third option has more vibrant colors with saturated yellows and an overall lively look. One thing to note is that there is a slight difference between the photos, but it's not huge. It could be because the photos were uploaded to Twitter, which might have affected the way they appear. For those who can't see the difference, it's mainly noticeable in the yellows. Take a look here, even the hexadecimal codes for yellows differ in the same spot. If you still don't see any difference, it's pretty clear you're overlooking something. So after the update, you can choose between these settings to make your display look less dull and more vibrant for the update, and all your issues will be fixed. Reddit user IamPiano posted some pictures with the caption, "S24 Ultra grainy display with proof." They shared their experience using the S24 Ultra for the past 3 weeks and compared its display with that of the Realme 12 Pro Plus AMOLED display. They noticed significant graininess in some videos with dark backgrounds. They provided video links for reference and urged others to check and raise this issue with Samsung, as they believe it's a serious matter considering the high cost of the device. Another user, Unpopular_Ravioli, also posted some pictures and shared their experience with the grainy display issue. They reported receiving 3 S24 Ultra devices with grainy displays even after returning and exchanging them. They cautioned others that the issue persists and expressed disappointment in the display quality, ultimately deciding to give up on the S24 Ultra despite their initial excitement for the phone. A user posted on Reddit about grainy, sandy/dusty screen issue on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Note: if you already watched my previous video, you can skip this part. Recently, reports among Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra users about a significant issue concerning screen quality have been on the rise. This issue, particularly evident when displaying dark colors like dark gray, manifests as a graininess or sandiness, noticeable at both low and high brightness settings. This situation degrades the expected quality of AMOLED screen technology, which is known for its deep black levels and high contrast ratio. Similar problems have not been observed in previous Samsung models such as the S23 Ultra and Galaxy S9 Plus, indicating that the current situation is unusual. I support this issue with photos collected from different user forums and images taken from my own device. The photos demonstrate the reality and impact of the problem, showing that it is not limited to a specific group of users. The ineffectiveness of recent updates on the Korea to resolve the issue suggests that it is not a software problem, but a hardware-related one. One of the biggest disappointments is Samsung's lack of any official statement or satisfactory solution to address users' concerns. A suggestion by a moderator on the Samsung Korea forum to use the device at maximum brightness and in light mode seems like a temporary measure rather than a real solution, raising concerns for users' eye health. This situation reinforces the view that Samsung needs to be more transparent and effective in recognizing this widespread issue and finding an appropriate solution. Users deserve to know the cause behind the grainy appearance of the screen, which production batches are affected, and what steps Samsung is taking to resolve this issue. Additionally, the presence of pixel-like errors that resemble shining dust inside the screen when exposed to direct light while the screen is off further increases concerns about screen quality. This problem has been observed not only in the S24 Ultra but also in other Samsung devices such as the Tab S9 Ultra. In this context, we expect Samsung to make a clear statement about these issues, conduct the necessary investigations to identify the affected devices and batches, and take concrete steps to maintain customer satisfaction and product quality. As a user community, we are aware that such issues can harm the overall quality of products and brand perception, and we hope that Samsung takes these concerns seriously and provides effective solutions.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I'm...
That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.